Okay, this is my Viper S670. Did a couple of mods to it because I heard, well, they were saying that it was losing contact. Frequent Flyers got one of these, and he did mod. For example, the antenna mod. I did the same thing, but I messed up and cut the wire because I thought it was too long, and all of a sudden it did not want to bind. All of a sudden it did not want to bind, so I messed that up. So the first mod I did was, before I added this antenna, I went ahead and opened up the remote control. It was pretty simple. All you gotta do is unscrew these screws here, and it's pretty simple to crack open. I just made a hole on the antenna plastic piece there, and I stuck the wire because it was long enough to stick up. So I did that mod. Then I had to break this thing open. Oh my God, it was so hectic. I mean, it was difficult. It took me like 3 hours to try to get this thing back together, and it took me another hour trying to figure out how am I going to put this antenna on there without burning anything in it. It was pretty hectic. It took me a while to do it, but so I took that antenna out, the original antenna out, and I stuck this cable that you would use to run your cable with at your house. So I cut a piece of that off, about the same length of the wire, and I just soldered it to the circuit board, and so I got it on there. So now I'm finna do a test. I haven't flown it yet. I'm finna do that in the garage right now because we're like having like some real crappy weather, too windy to fly anything really. So I'm finna do that right now, see how that works. So hopefully it binds, and hopefully it'll work. And if it does work, I want to test the range on it to see if this antenna mod did anything to it to make it go further without losing contact with it. So I'm finna do a little test flight in the garage. Be right back.